you do it? Thomas, you want to apologize?
What do you have to say to the officer's family?
The man who allegedly shot and killed Yarmouth K-9 officer Sean Gannon has been arraigned on a charge of murder in Barnstable District Court. Gannon and his dog Nero were both shot Thursday afternoon as they were helping to serve a warrant on Thomas Latanowich, a 29-year-old from Somerville, on Blueberry Lane in Marston's Mills. Gannon died of his injuries and Nero is being treated at Dennis Veterinary Hospital. Latanowich had pleas of not guilty entered on his behalf to the murder charge, as well as the charge of mistreating or interfering with a police dog. He was ordered held without bail and a probable cause hearing was set for June 26. Outside court, an emotional Yarmouth Police Chief Frank Fredrickson called Gannon the Tom Brady of the department.
When you're recruiting for a police officer, there's no cookie cutter way to find the right person. But if you look at him, he exemplified everything that you would want, every positive quality. He died doing what he loved to do. And that is working with his dog, helping his brother officers, and protecting all of you.
And throughout the day on Friday, over at the Yarmouth Police Station, Cape Cod community members showed up to lay flowers and pay tribute to Gannon, who is a well-respected member of the police force.